As the year turns, it's time to bring fresh energy into our homes. Get ready to explore the hottest 2025 home decor and furniture trends. From modern minimalism to cozy maximalism, this year has something for everyone. Let's dive into the styles that will define your holiday season. Trend 1. The elegance. Natural materials like wood, stone, and clay are making waves. Add textured ceramics and handmade crafts for an artisanal vibe. Trend 2. Color comeback. Vibrant jewel tones like emerald green, sapphire blue, and ruby red are dominating the color palette, creating a festive yet chic atmosphere. Trend 3. Multifunctional furniture. Compact yet stylish pieces are perfect for small spaces. Think ottomans with hidden storage or coffee tables that double as work desks. Trend 4. Sustainable style. Eco-friendly designs using recycled materials and energy-efficient lighting are more popular than ever. This holiday season, embrace these 2025 trends and transform your home into a stylish, functional haven. Happy decorating!